Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'll show you a helpful tool to easily compress your brake caliper piston. This brake caliper compression tool works like a charm to push the piston back into position so you can install your new pads with ease. And since it is adjustable, you'll be able to work on most cars, trucks, and commercial vehicles. Now with 360 degrees of ratcheting and these expansion plates, this will likely be one of your favorite brake tools. So if you have a single, twin, or quad piston caliper, this will easily compress the piston. Now let me show you how easy it is to use. To compress the brake piston back into the caliper, simply place the ratchet compressor into the caliper. In case yours is too big or too small to fit into the current space, just remove it and toggle the center lever to switch directions. Basically, expand or contract the ratchet tool so you get a snug fit. I've got mine set to expand so I can reposition it back into the housing. Secure it into place so it's sitting plumb where the new pads will go, and simply start to ratchet it or expand it slowly. Now this is a simple task, however the way I have to hold it so the camera can show the piston contracting is somewhat awkward. Once the piston is fully contracted, now switch the lever to loosen to remove the tool. Look at how flush the piston is with this quick use ratcheting compression tool. There you have it. This fits most cars, trucks, and commercial vehicles. This ratcheting mechanism is easy to use and places even pressure on the piston while compressing it into place. And these 7-inch long extended adapter plates help with larger brake calipers, which attach with powerful magnets. The main reason I like to use this is because of the centrally located ratcheting mechanism that distributes even force for proper piston alignment. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.